She's faith-filled, purpose-driven, kingdom-minded, got a vision. She's making moves, building wealth and using tech with precision. Proverbs 31:31, give her the fruit of her hand. She's a boss, she's a queen, she's got purpose in her plans.
Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Tisha D. Colston, certified AI consultant and founder of She Thinks AI. And I help coaches, creators, and entrepreneurs be seen, be heard, and get paid with AI. Now, today's video is a little bit different. I'm not coming to you as the expert who's already mastered this platform, but I'm bringing you along with me. I've built apps using several AI and no-code platforms, but this is actually my first time building inside of Lovable. And so instead of editing, stopping, or trying to make this thing perfect, I'm just going to let it go. And I'm just going to go ahead and vibe code. And you're going to see this in real time. You'll see how I think about it, how I prompt, how AI responds, and how ideas start, turning into actual software just by describing what you want to build. Now, because we are in a season where you don't have to be a developer anymore, if you can explain your idea, you can start building it. So this isn't about finishing a perfect app today, because real app building happens through conversation and iteration. But I want you to see what's possible when you sit down and actually start. So if you've ever thought, could I really build something like this? Stay with me, because today you're going to watch the process unfold. So let's jump in. All right, so we know that we are building an app inside of Lovable. Now, I first started with ChatGPT and I created this really long prompt. Now, do you need a really long prompt? No, but I didn't want to have to keep telling it what to add or what to do. So I actually go through this process of thinking it through. And so that's what I have done here. And so now I've copied this whole thing into Lovable. And so all of my instructions are here. And now we are going to press the up arrow, which is build. So if you watch me build in Manus or a Google AI Studio, like I've been saying, and I'll continue to say, they all do the same thing, but maybe they do it in a different way. So this way, Lovable is actually taking my instructions and it is building my project. So you're going to hear some silence here until I get some kind of display or something that, and I need to do something different there. So I'll just be quiet and you can fast forward until you see the screens change. But one thing I do like about here in Lovable, it gives you some verbiage and it's telling you it's getting ready and all of that there. So yeah, so we'll see you in a few. Okay, at this point, I am going to refresh the screen because it doesn't take this long. It's been a long time already. It should only take a few minutes, 5 minutes, 8 minutes, more than 10 minutes, which I think it's been. Yeah. So let's go ahead and refresh this screen. All right, so that's what I was looking for. This was done, thought for 36 seconds. So it was definitely have already been done. So these are all of the things that it has done, and I now have my app. I can start building my AI brain or go to the dashboard. Ah, this looks wonderful. So this is what the dashboard looks like. Let's see here. Yes, these are the cards. Okay. All right. So now that we have that, it says next step to um, persist user data and enable real authentication. We can enable Lovable Cloud for database. Okay, so we will do that. But what I want to do now is come back over to my handy dandy little sheet here with all of my instructions and I am going to build this here. These are some enhancements that I've already worked through with ChatGPT. So that's one. Let's copy that. And let's see what Lovable does with this. And I'm going to paste that in there. Paste and go. So you see, it's going to implement the enhancements and do everything that it needed to do there. And I have one more update. I'm not too sure if I like this color scheme, but for now, we are going to keep it. All right. So it said that all the enhancements were have been implemented, and these were the enhancements that I had. So let's see here. Onboarding. Let's go to the dashboard. Okay, welcome back. Brain is evolving. Let's see here. Next step panel. Recommended next step. Okay, so return visit. Welcome back. Okay. All right. So now it looks like everything was implemented. And I'm going to go ahead and go back to my handy dandy little document here. And I wanted to create um, a landing page. So I'm going to add this here. All right. So I've pasted that in and now it's reviewing it. And now we will wait. All right, so now it is saying that the landing page is live, and you actually saw here how it showed you what the landing page looks like. Now, to be honest, I'm like, okay, well, how do I get to the landing page? Because I am past that. I'm on the dashboard. So, what do I need to do to get back to that? Let's see here. Click on, well, it's already on preview. Let's do that. Let me go back to here. Nope, still back on the preview. See, and other one, oh, refresh the page. No, that just refreshed the page. So what I see now is I need a log out button or something that takes me back to the beginning because I'm not seeing that here. But um, let's see here. Let me see. In the other ones, it's fairly easy. But this one, I'm not showing how to get back to the beginning. Maybe if I take this dashboard out, just do app. There you go. Okay. So I had to take the dashboard out and then so this is what it looks like. I don't like that this is doesn't seem to be centered, but that's just me. But I'm loving this transparent kind of background there going on, how it works. And it's telling you how it works, what you will build. Okay. I'm going to look at this a little bit more in depth. And I may change the colors. Create your AI brain. Uh, yeah. So this looks great. It's exactly what I asked it to do. Here's my sign in right here. And yeah. And then once I sign in, this is what it will look like. So this is how you build an app in Lovable. Now, I do need to reiterate, or I need to actually still communicate with Lovable and make sure that things work. And I'll need to actually publish this thing. And there are other steps that are involved, but you can see how this app looks, and it actually happened in minutes. I mean, you didn't have to know any kind of code or anything. So I am loving this. Let me know how you like this. Let me know if you think you can, learn or use this app. This app is going to be the app for me. This is why I'm creating this app. So let me know in the comments what you think about this, or even if you understand it. There's an ebook that will go along with this app. But yeah, so that's all to it. Automation is not about doing less work. It's about stewarding your time better. You don't need to be online all day to make an impact. You just need systems working while you rest. And this right here is step one. So now if you're ready to be seen, be heard, and get paid using AI, visit shethinksai.com to get more information and to join our school community for free. Listen, I want you to get paid with the ideas that you have. And if you want that for yourself also, grab my free guide, Get Paid with AI, 3 simple app ideas you can build faster than you think. The link is going to be in the comments. And if you like this content, remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel. All right, remember, you do not have to know everything about AI. You just need to know what moves the needle. Be seen, be heard, and get paid with AI. I'll see you on the next video. And until then, be blessed, be fruitful, and multiply.
She's faith-filled, purpose-driven, kingdom-minded, got a vision. She's making moves, building wealth and using tech with precision. Proverbs 31:31, give her the fruit of her hand. She's a boss, she's a queen, she's got purpose in her plans.